Mga labi ni Barbie Sue o kilala bilang Sunshine ng Meteor Garden na pagdesisyonan ng pamilya na iuwi na lamang sa Taiwan na abo na lang ito dahil sa Japan nila ito ipapakremate. Ang ex-husband naman ni Barbie Sue ay dumating na rin sa airport para salubungin sila. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Dating asawa ni Barbie Sue namumugto ang mga mata at sobrang nalulungkot sa kanyang pagpanaw dahil mayroon silang naiwang 2 anak at gayon sa kanya mapupunta ang pangangalaga nito at mahirap talaga ang walang ina. So heartbreaking news, knowing of sudden death mula kay Christine Ann Kanda. She made a big impact in the world of entertainment. Life is so precious. We can take it for granted. Don't take our loved one for granted. Gone but never forgotten. Barbie Sue aka Sunshine. RIP and sending prayers. Maiiyak ka talaga kahit ex mo kasi nawala ng nanay yung mga anak nyo. Hindi mo talagang masasabi ang buhay, nakakalungkot naman pero okay na din yan kaysa mag-suffer pa siya. Master of Tycoon siya ng Taiwan, billionaire, pero simpleng manamit. Mayaman ang dating napangasawa nitong si Sunshine at ngayon nga ay namumugto ang mga mata at sobra ang kalungkutan. Habang si Jerry Yan naman o kilala bilang Dao Mingse ay nagluluksa rin sa pagkawala ng kanyang leading lady sa Meteor Garden. Nakakadurog ng puso ang mga mensaheng iniwanan ni Jerry Yan para sa kanyang mahal na Sunshine. Sabi nga ni Jerry Yan, "Thank you for meeting you in your carefree, childlike years. You used to say, treat every day as your last. Have a great time. I hope you walk slowly this time from now on in another world. There will be no worries and the years will be quiet. Meteor Garden will never be the same again without you, Sunshine." Maski ang mga artista sa Pilipinas ay hindi rin makamove on sa pagkawala agad nitong si Sunshine o kilala bilang Barbie Sue. Sabi nga dito ni Kim Chu, "OMG, naaalala ko after school, magmamadali akong umuwi para mapanood lang ang Meteor Garden. Pag di ko na maabutan, makikinood ako sa karinderya sa labas ng school namin. OMG, I love you Sunshine. May you rest in peace. Thank you sa makulay naming childhood. Pigtail." Sobrang nalulungkot din ang ilang fans ni Barbie Sue. Kaya naman nagbigay ng letter ang isa niyang talagang taga-follow. "My dearest Barbie Sue, aka Sunshine. I've been a fan ever since the start of Meteor Garden. And when it was re-aired on the Philippine TV, it made me crazy. That's why I created this account. I did a lot of research about you when I started this fandom to make sure no fake news would spread. I even fought against those who tried to impersonate you on IG and Twitter at that time. You were forced to create an IG account to shut down those pretending to be you. And I'll never forget when you recognized my message, confirming that you didn't have Twitter. We even had a short conversation then. I have followed your journey ever since, always supporting and defending you from rumors. Despite the unfortunate things that happened to you, I was happy to see you living your life with strength and love. Now, I just can't believe that you are gone. I had dreams of visiting Taiwan one day, hoping for a chance to meet you or even just take a picture with you. But now, that will never happen. I thank God that I knew you and that I became your friend. You saved me from drowning in life's obstacles. This page has been my refuge, my comfort. Thank you for sharing your life with us. My dear, you live a beautiful life, filled with love for your children and beloved husband. Your kindness and strength will always be remembered. You will forever hold a special place in my heart. May you rest in peace. With love and deepest sympathy. Ito ay mensahe ng talagang dearest ever fans nitong si Barbie Sue. Mula naman sa isang taga-follow ng F4 Meteor Garden, kabilang si Sanjay. Nag-ipon talaga siya ng mga pictures nila noong araw, 2005 pa ito, noong na-aired ang Meteor Garden sa Pilipinas. Ang mga litratong ito ay ikinumpile at itinago ng matagal na panahon dahil nga sobrang fans na pan sila ng F4. Nabalita rin na nagkomento na rin ang asawa nitong si Miss Barbie Sue. Sa Asia 1, when Ilgen Sports contacted the 55-year-old Korean musician whose real name is Koo Jun Yap, he confirmed that it was not a fake news. He was reportedly unable to contain the sadness in his voice as he added, "I'm not okay." Yan ang sabi ng asawa ni Barbie Sue na si Mr. Koo Jun Yap. Marami pa rin ang nasasaktan sa pagkawala ni Sanjay, lalong-lalo na ang mga Pinoy na talaga namang tumangkilik sa Meteor Garden. Ang sakit pa din sa lahat ng artistang international man o local, itong effort lang talaga at si Sanjay ang gustong-gusto kong pinapanood. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, condolence sa pamilya niyang naiwan. Masakit man sa atin ng mga fans niya pero triple ang sakit pa din sa naiwan niyang pamilya. Mula naman kay Jenny V, condolences to all families and all fans. May you rest in peace, my idol Sanjay. I can't believe this happened. I start to watch back Meteor Garden. It's so sad. We'll miss you, idol. Rest in peace. Tears welled up in my eyes at your death, but you are still alive in my memories. Thank you for all memories. I will never forget you, my idol Sanjay. It's really hurt. I can't accept it.